I would like to introduce you in our QUADRO KS. First, I'll show you the basic functions of the machine. You see here the inlet guide of the machine. We have our automatic working cross-cutting roller here. We have our cassette system, and we have the outlet of the machine. The cassette system is exchangeable, or you can turn the cassettes. I will show you how this works. First, bring out the drive, then open the locking bolts, and then turn the cassette, and the rollers which are placed at the inside form the profile. First, I show you the parallel function of the QUADRO KS. First, we have to move into the parallel mode, programming of lengths and the number of pieces. Then we make the zero cut, close the clutch, move the panel forward manually. Zero cut. Back in home position. And start in the automatic mode. Now I show the taper function of the QUADRO KS. First, we have to move into the taper mode, and we have to program 3 dimensions: leading edge width A, trailing edge width B, and the length of the panel C. Here I have, for example, and then we make the calculation and get the value out. Angle is 2.7 and the value A is 9908, which we have to adjust on the movable cassette. First, we have to open the locking bolts of the spindle drive to get a free floating movable cassette. Now we adjust the given value. Second step, we have to move the cassette to the start position. We would like to run the 580. Now we can start with running of the panel. Second panel or furthermore panels, the cassette has to be moved back in the start position next to a stop. Start the next process. Cassette back in start position for the next panel.